Hey guys, welcome back to Tranquil Bujo. Today's video is going to be a plan with me and we will be setting up my Bujo for the month of October. It must be confusing because already is one plan with me uploaded on the channel for the month of October. But long story short, two of us handled the channel, I was a bit busy over the past few months and now here I am. This is the first of hopefully many videos on the channel. Anyways, enough on that. My theme for the month of October is the anime Digimon. Digimon was a very significant part of my childhood and I have very clear memories of waking up early in the morning to watch the anime. For my cover page, I started with a simple drawing of Gatomon, who is partnered with Hikari, embodying the crest of light. It took me a bit to get the dimensions right, but I quite liked the end result. I used color pencils of various companies that I have hoarded throughout the years to fill in the drawing. I used the Staedtler pigment liners to fill in the small areas that were black in color. To finish off the cover page, I used a Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to letter in the word October. I again used the Staedtler pigment liners to draw out my monthly spread. It's a bit small because I don't exactly have much to do this month. At the bottom of the page, I just drew in the crest of friendship. I just used a blue color pencil to fill in the crest of friendship. Using the Tombow brush pen from before to fill in the title Habit Tracker, I worked on the illustration of this page, Wizardmon, who helped unite Gatomon and Hikari in the original Digimon adventure series. I used various purple and pink color pencils to fill in the hat and robes, and a grey to fill in the skulls. The stamp and block set that I am using here is from Amazon. The next spread is my mood tracker, and my illustration of choice for this page is Piyomon. Piyomon is Sora's partner, embodying the crest of love. I just use simple circles to represent each day of the month. We now go on to my sleep tracker. So over the past few months, my sleep schedule has been all over the place, and I hope the spread helps me in some way. The Digimon here is Palmon, Mimi's partner, embodying the crest of sincerity. I again used simple circles to represent the days. Here's my illustration for the quote page. I chose to draw Patamon. And though I personally don't think that this is my best work, if there's anything that I have learned from the bullet journaling community, it's that mistakes happen and you just have to embrace them and do your best. My weekly spread was a relatively simple horizontal one with the numbers filled inside the digi eggs. last illustration, I chose to draw Gabumon, Matt's partner embodying the crest of friendship. I then went back to my mood tracker and sleep tracker to make a sort of key that I could use to fill in the trackers. The last thing left was to fill in the codes. The first one being, sometimes you have to save the world, even if you're the one who caused the problem. The second quote says, you say you love thunder showers, so what's a few raindrops between friends? I then filled in the digi eggs with a little bit of a yellow-orange mix to give it a little bit of color. Here is the final flip through for my October bullet journal. This was super fun to make. For more art and bullet journaling videos, like and comment on this video. Consider watching the other videos on the channel and please do subscribe. See you next time!